Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on the Melrose Hill bypass. We are driving out of Poros and going on to the Melrose Hill bypass. So we're going to give you a tour of this section. Now the Melrose Hill bypass, that's Highway 2000 east-west leg above us. That's the ramp to get on the highway from the bypass. Now out here this is where Highway 2000 east-west leg ends. Right here, the traffic that you see straight ahead is coming off the highway, and we are coming from Poros. So both areas, or traffic from both ends, meet right there, and then now we are on the Melrose Hill bypass. Very nicely done, I must say. Job well done to China Harbour Engineering Company, and job well done to the Jamaican government. Now remember, this road is not a part of the toll road, it's free. So you can drive from Williamsfield to Poros on this road without paying any toll. You can actually drive from Maypen to Williamsfield without paying any toll. No, it's just, there is a toll plaza at toll gate, but it's just not operational. Alright, we're now coming up to the Williamsfield roundabout. And as you can see, this section of the road was not renovated. Now this road is actually, the highway is going to be extended from, I guess, Williamsfield to Hodges. I'm wondering if it's going to be extended from where the actual highway ends. Because if you notice, I'm not sure. Williamsfield to Hodges. And another section of Highway 2000 is going to be built from where we are now, Williamsfield, to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. And eventually Highway 2000 will go all the way to Negril.